My beloved love, whenever I see you, my heart beats faster and faster. There was a rapid connection of hearts when I first saw you. I believe that was true love at first sight, just at the right place. It was such a life changing juncture for me. My whole life took a great turn after that. You have encouraged me to be a better person. You're just the immaculate soulmate for me. I have a feeling that the Almighty has created you only for me and was born only to love you till the end. You're a couple that is made in heaven by divine intervention. Would set a benchmark for all the aspiring lovers all around. We believe in sacred love and selfless care. I miss you a lot when you are not around with me with your caring persona. Yes, there are times when we had disturbed misunderstandings, but I'm taking the accountability for all my mistakes. Trust me, dear, this won't happen again ever. You came to my dreams every night. In there, I make passionate love to you all the time. I'll never let you go this time, darling. I want you in my life for today, tomorrow, and eternally. It's a definite promise that will never break. You're really irreplaceable to me all along. Your charm and appeal are too irresistible. That's why you were the chosen one from day one. So any kind of hide and seek game is truly unacceptable. You must keep the passionate love going forever. Please, babe, be there till the end.